selected device here. This is basically preview of content view. We are writing any code in between the body of content view, it will reflected here. And in the below the toolbar section we have two buttons here. One is adjust editor option, another one is the editor on right option. So just clicks on the adjust editor option. We have canvas, assistant, layout and minimap. So canvas means this one, the view which device is selected on the target. I just selected the iPad touch 7th generation. So this virtual device preview is this one. So I want to change a different one from by clicking on this devices. You can choose any devices from here and that preview will available here. Now here we have another option, mini map. So just click on the mini map here. The mini map is showing in a smaller window. It will be used for when we have a larger code base in the content view. There we have to select particular stacks or particular methods. It will be useful. So for now there is no need of minimap. I just uncheck it. So these are the main elements to discuss on the Xcode. In the first left we have a navigation panel, and second one is the editor panel, and third one is the preview for this code editor panel, and last one is the attribute inspector. So here we can play with the library files here. Just go ahead here. We have a similar two ways to change the modifier of this text. Basically what is the text is, it is some type of element to present the data. So I just want to check the modifiers for this. Double click on this text and hold on the command, click on text, it will present some popover. In this we have too many options, so I just want to discuss about modifiers. We have to add any modifiers for existed text, or we have to delete any modifiers from text. So here I have to select show shift to the inspector. This is the one way to change the modifiers for selected item. For now just we are discussing about text. In later section we can discuss about different kind of elements like button, label, list. So that kind of elements we can discuss later. In pop-up we have text, font, padding, frame. I want to change the text for the hello world to the hello world shift. So I just enter the text in the text box, just enter, and the reflection will be available in the preview as well as the code. So this is the beauty of SwiftUI. And another way of changing the modifier is from attribute inspector. So just click on the text, the attribute inspector will be shown on the extreme right side. So from here also we can change the text, font, weight, color, alignment and line limit, the padding, left, right, and top, bottom, and frame. So here we are showing add modifier, right? Or we can add modifier from here also. Just click on that, it will shows controllers, recommended controllers and effects, whichever useful for the text and the requirement will be there, then only we can use these effects and layout, alignments, text effects, listing, navigation bar. These are the modifiers for the selected element. For now I am searching some different modifier. When I searching background modifier and I am selecting from list, so I selected a background view as a blue color and it is appeared here. So like that you can add n number of modifiers to change an n number of uh, modifiers or n number of element. We can apply same modifiers to the other elements. So for example, we can write custom code here. I just deleted the code from the content view. That is the reason it's showing the error. I just want to use the library files, so that is the reason I have deleted here. Go to plus icon here, top right corner we have a plus icon. This is a library. Just click on that library. In this we have library files and it has a buttons, color picker and date picker, and this library has the different tabs, action sheet and code snippets, images and color panels. For now we are using uh, element library. So search for text and click on text and drag the text to in between content view. So just see the placeholder, so it is up, it is reflected here also, right? So now we can play with the padding. I just enter dot, writing pad. You can have multiple values like here. I just want to write another modifier. I want to change modifier with respect to color. The color of this one. So I just changing the color from coding perspective, color dot, I want to change the color to some green. See, and now run the project once. See, like this it will show, and the updated code available, the updated UI, and this is the preview button. You can see the preview. So these are the content view preview color schemes. We can change any uh, preview and color schemes and dynamic type padding for the selected view. This is all about text. In next sections we can discuss about all different elements by dragging from library. So from here we have different types of elements, right? So we can discuss in next section. Thank you for watching.